Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. I'm holding down the control button to make a perfect square. I'm going to go ahead and change this to a hairline. I like drawing in hairline and go ahead and make it red. I'm using somebody else's file that they sent me and I didn't start with a new file. So if you wanted to draw something symmetrically, take all this, go up to object and convert it to a curve. Then you can take your shape tool. Let's go ahead and make them all a curve. I'm going to right click my mouse. And then you see we have the curve handles. So if we wanted to make something symmetrical, we could move this in. But then with your item selected, go up to edit and clone that. Now mirror it the opposite way. And now we probably have the other one picked, but we picked the clone. You can move it around and it's going to draw it symmetrically. It's pretty cool to be able to do that, and then when you want that shape, just fill that in and you can do anything you want with it. If you're fortunate enough to have Corel X8 or Corel 2018, you can kind of do the same thing with the Symmetry tool. So we're going to start a new Symmetry. They're pretty far apart. We're going to go ahead and move it closer together. And because this is a Symmetry, it's going to do the exact same thing. We're going to go ahead and convert this to a curve and then go ahead and cut all these into a curve. And then that way we have handles. And when you do this, look what happens on the other side. It's going to draw the exact same thing on the other side. You can even add nodes and bring that down. It's going to bring it down. So you can do that. Now when you're finished, just hit finish. Now you probably, if you want to use that shape, take the virtual segment delete key. Well, what we're going to do is probably, let me select it all. Let's break link apart and then use virtual segment delete key. And then I always would fill it in with black or another color. That way it's going to seal all your nodes. And so you've got something symmetrical. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.